Top 5 affiliate marketing websites. Make money with affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you top 5 affiliate marketing websites where you can find the best affiliate marketing programs to make money. So let's get started. Up first, we have clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is world's leading affiliate marketing website. You can sign up as a vendor or as an affiliate on Clickbank. The signing up process of Clickbank is really easy, and you will be able to find thousands of products to choose from as an affiliate. If you become an affiliate on Clickbank, then you can simply promote thousands of quality products and you will be able to earn up to $150 per sale. Then you also get an industry leading tracking option. If you sell a product on Clickbank, then you will be able to access thousands of products. You can sell your product without caps, and automated affiliate payments are available. The payment method is also really easy. If you want to sign up as an affiliate on Clickbank, then you simply promote different products. And when it comes to promoting products, you can use easy ways. Clickbank has reliable payments, top performing offers, high quality products, accurate tracking, dedicated support, and training education as well. You can select products from different categories such as health and fitness, self help, e business, supports, and more. Simply join Clickbank right now to access thousands of products in the marketplace and make money. There are different affiliate programs available, and you will be able to make 50 to 60% commission with the affiliate programs. The next website is warriorplus.com. Warriorplus.com is a sales and marketing automation platform that allows you to do affiliate marketing. The signing up process for Warrior Plus is really easy. You can sign up for free. When it comes to Warrior Plus, you can simply do sales automation and then you can become an affiliate. There are top notch products available for you to choose from, and hundreds to thousands of products are available in every niche. You simply create your own account, which takes 1 minute. Then you find different offers and promote products. If you're looking for a platform which is very easy to use and has a good marketplace with good affiliate programs and high ticket affiliate marketing, then you can simply sign up for Warrior Plus. You can earn up to 80% commission with Warrior Plus products. Promoting the product is also really easy with Warrior Plus. You simply get your affiliate link, and after that, you can simply go ahead and promote the product. Warrior Plus also has a sales page option that takes you to direct sales page of the product. It has different vendors from around the globe, and you can access different vendors and products just in seconds. So if you're looking for a good, reliable affiliate marketing website, then you can check out warriorplus.com. Next up on the list is Digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you integrated online store and an affiliate network. Digistore24 is very easy to use. The signing up process literally takes 1 second. You can become an affiliate or a vendor on Digistore24. When you sign up as an affiliate, then you will be able to access all of the different products in the marketplace. When it comes to the marketplace, we get different products to choose from. There are different categories such as digital products, animals and pets, computer and internet. Then we have email marketing, education, fitness and health, games and fun, green product, home and garden, job and employment, languages, and more. You can choose from different categories and then select different products. There is high ticket affiliate marketing available on Digistore24. You can simply earn up to 90% commission or 85% commission with Digistore24 products. You can get all the product information right here, and you can check their price, commission, earning and sale, vendor, earnings and cart, visitor. You can earn up to hundreds of dollars with a sale on Digistore24. You also get the product seller option. If you want to become a product seller, then you can simply sign up as a vendor and create your products on Digistore24. Then there is a jobs option available as well for the people to do micro jobs on Digistore24. If you're looking for a platform with a variety of products, then you can definitely check out Digistore24.com. The next on the list is ShareASale. ShareASale.com is world's fastest growing affiliate marketing platform with a lot of different features and tools for you. It has high ticket affiliate marketing available. You can simply go ahead and grow your business with ShareASale. If you become an affiliate on ShareASale, then you will be able to promote thousands of products. There are different tools available as an affiliate, such as maximizing your affiliate efforts. You also get an easy payment method. If you want to join, you simply join your share a sale, then you promote your products, and then you engage and monetize. You can earn up to 90% commission with share a sale affiliate marketing. There are many people using share a sale right now as their passive income platform. With share a sale, you will be able to create an account very easily. Once you have your account, then you can simply go ahead and choose from millions of products available on ShareASale. You can also join different affiliate programs. When it comes to ShareASale, then we have custom tools such as recruitment, influencers, attributions, compliance, and storefronts. So you can definitely go ahead and check out ShareASale. Last but not least, I have another platform for you to do affiliate marketing. This is not a conventional affiliate marketing website, but you might have heard about Fiverr. You can simply go to affiliates.fiverr.com and you will get your own affiliate marketing website. Fiverr has affiliate program for you to choose from. Why I am mentioning Fiverr? Because Fiverr is super easy to use. You simply join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, and then start earning. This is one of the easiest affiliate marketing platforms, and it has a lot of different commission plans for us, such as with Fiverr CPA, you can earn up to $15 to $150. With Fiverr Hybrid, you can earn up to $10 CPA plus 10% rev share. There are different products to choose from. You can promote Fiverr Business and earn $100 plus 10%. With Fiverr Affiliates, you can earn up to 10%. With Fiverr Learn, you will earn up to 30%, and with Fiverr Workspace, you can earn 50%. You simply promote Fiverr and then you earn. There are different products available depending on the category, and the pricing also depends on the product. Such as if you're promoting Fiverr Pro, then you will be able to earn up to $150. This is actually a pretty good commission plan right here, and it is completely free to sign up for. You can join Fiverr affiliate right now by just creating an account on Fiverr, and then you will be able to get access to all of these different plans and start earning today. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know top 5 affiliate marketing websites to make money with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.